Hello friends, I am Jignasa Solanki from codeGreekIT. Welcomes you to our YouTube channel. In this channel I am going to learn about Android development. So let's start with its very first step, that is how to install Android Studio. To installing Android Studio, we have to first download the JDK. To download JDK now, we have to go on browser, write JDK download. We have to click on first link. Here you can see JDK download. Click on it. According to different OS and different version, there are different files are available. As I am working with Windows, I have to click on this link. But as already I did, so you have to click on this link. Once the download is finished, you have to double click on this exe file and install Java in your system. After installing Java, we have to set environment variable. To setting environment variable, we have to go to control panel. In control panel, system and security. In system and security, we have to click on system. You can see advanced system setting. You have to click on it. Now we have to click on environment variable. Now we have to set path of JDK over here. If the path is already present, you have to click on edit and paste the JDK path over here. If the path is not present, you have to click on new, write path over here and paste your JDK path. Your JDK path you will get from C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. You have to copy this path and put this path over here. Now you have to click on OK. As I already did, so I have to click on cancel. Now OK. Now we have to check that environment variable set proper or not. To check this, we have to go to command prompt. Now Java version. Here we can see our Java version, so we can confirm that our JDK is properly installed in our system. Now after installing JDK, we move ahead to installing Android Studio. To installing Android Studio, you have to go to browser and write Android Studio download for Windows. We have to click on this second link. Here you can see download Android Studio link, but there is a download option also available for different OS and version. Now click on download Android Studio. Here is the terms and condition. You have to check on it and click on download Android Studio for Windows. Now you can see that our download process is started. As our download process is going to complete it, once it's completed, we have to click on show in folder. Now I moved this file on desktop. Now right click on it and run as administrator. It takes some time. We have to wait. We have to click on yes. Here you can see our process is started. Now you can see there is a welcome dialog. You have to click on next. If you want to default setting, you have to leave it as it is and click on next. Here is the path. This is the default path in C drive where our Android Studio installed. But if you want to change this path, you have to click on browser and set this path over here and click on OK. Now next. Now you have to install. You have to click on install. Here you can see our installation process. It also takes some time. As our process is going to end and it's almost end. Now click on next. Now you have to click on finish. And you can see Android is going to install. It also takes some time. Now Android Studio is installing. Here you can see progress. Okay. Now there is a start a new project. There is a start a new Flutter project or opening an existing Android project. If you want to open an existing project, you have to click on this open. But if you want to start a new project, then you have to click on start a new Android Studio project. You have to click on first. Now there is a different phone and tablet, VR OS, TV, but we have work on phone and tablet, so we have to click on phone and tablet. We have to create one empty activity. Now click on next. Now you have to give name of your project. I am leaving as it is. Here is the package of your project. Here is the save location where you have to install your projects. If you want to change this path, you can set from over here. Now select the language. In which language you have to do coding, like Kotlin or Java. Native language is Java, so you have to click on Java. Here is the minimum SDK that you have to set, and it's set defaultly. Yes, and here is the one error is that project location should be not contain white space. So you have to click my applications and you have to click on finish. Android Studio is starting. Here the project is loading. Here Android Studio is ready to use. Here is the main activity, and here we finished our installation. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel to get daily up-to-date information.